chat partners. Welcome back to my chat session. Well, it's actually Sunday night, so I just wanted to come on here and just chat with you guys for a little bit. I hope you all have been having a good weekend. Well, me, myself, I didn't do much this weekend. I had to work all weekend, so it's time for me to make me another hair appointment because I got to get my hair cut again. Only put it in like a small ponytail now. It's like, hey, okay. Let me find out I can put a little messy bun on top of my head because before was one of them ponytails about this long. Cold in here. It's cold in this house. It's cold outside. My stomach is a little irritated because you know what? I actually did good all week, drinking water and everything, but tonight I had to drink me some ginger ale because my stomach was upset and I've been eating salads and everything. But when I had got off work, I did stop by Wendy's and got me some chicken nuggets, and I probably shouldn't have did that. Getting water hot to wash your face and rinse it off is like doing double dutch. Oh, keep your hand up under there like you put it up in the double dutch. I don't know if it's just me, but am I the only one when you washing your face and you bend there and washing the water off, and when you come back up thinking somebody's standing behind you? That mean I didn't get my life together if I'm thinking stuff like that. Come on. I'm a silly dog. You know, they're making noise outside the door. When I told her to come in here early and she standing there looking at me and want to come in there, she want to come in there and knows because she see I'm talking. She hear me talking. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back. It's Monday morning. Where my chapstick at? I just wanted to come in and check with you guys really quick. Hope everybody has been having a good morning so far. Gotta go to work. I just packed my breakfast and my lunch. Okay, guys, well, let me get on this road. My chat partners, welcome back. It's still Monday. I went by the grocery store to pick up a couple of items. So what I'm going to do is do a brief grocery haul, and then I'm getting ready to cook dinner. Come in, get my stuff done before I even sit down, because if I sit down, I'm not doing anything. Okay, I got some turkey. I got some eggs. Got some bananas, some cheese, more cheese. This cheese right here, I eat it as a snack with my wheat thins. I got some spinach, 2 packs of cauliflower rice, strawberries, blueberries, sweet potatoes, onion, avocado, wheat thins, ranch dressing, wonton strips. I just put my grocery up real quick. What I'm going to do now is cook dinner. I have some broccoli, chicken with red onions, garlic. I'm going to put some cheese on my broccoli. Just something simple and quick. And I want it to be like kind of garlicky, so I'm gonna put like this much garlic in here. Got some like garlic. Just trying to get ready to get that broccoli up to a boil. This is what the chicken is looking like. I'm getting ready to turn it over in a minute. Let that cook for a while. Then I'm gonna cut the pieces up too. It smells so good. Just garlic and chicken and onions. Okay guys, so now I'm just cutting my chicken up. I probably should take it out the pan and cut it up, but okay. Okay guys, there's my chicken cooking up and I cut it up. And here's my broccoli boiling. I'm about to cut that off in like maybe 3 minutes or so.
I don't eat this little part right here on chicken tenders. I don't know what that is. I guess that's gristle or something. I can't do it.
So what I'm going to do is plate up this food for me and my daughter and probably have movie night with her. I think we might watch the movie Parasite because I see that it won an Oscar. Congratulations to everyone involved. I was really happy that Joaquin Phoenix won an Oscar because he's like one of my favorite actors. Go chill and relax with her, wind down for the night.